what is the value of x? All right, this is pretty straightforward. We see that the two sides are 21 each. That means they are congruent, and when they're congruent, we have base angles congruent as well. So whatever is left after we take away the 38 degrees from the vertex angle, we will have to split equally among the two base angles. Okay, so we will do 180 minus 38, and we get 142. Okay, so what we need to do is take 142, and we need to divide that equally among the two angles. So 2 goes into 14 7 times. 2 goes into 2 1 time. And so we have, as a base angle, 71 degrees, which is A.